Hello friends, welcome to Arshid Stock Business News. And friends, today we are going to see the latest updates regarding with Sona Comstar and its business Q2 updates. So friends, if this is the trend line which you are observing in a day pattern. So previously the stock went like a record high of 813 rupees and a steep correction we seen in Sona BMW. And if you observe here, the stock again taken some little bullishness in the stock as per trend lines. If you observe, this is inner trend line, this is outer trend line. Still friends, today it earnings are little extraordinary as compared to year on year, but compared to quarter on quarter we can consider it as okay numbers, because posted 9% of growth. Still it's not a small thing. Going through the investors presentation, they are continuously increasing their annual returns. So which we have to see is annual returns is the main thing. One of the best investors presentation I seen is Sona BMW's presentation, which is a very good one. So see here, you easily understand how the company is growing from starting onwards. See here, they started with 16. So from 16 to as of now, it is having like 21,000 crores like that. They are planning for this financial year. uh, as you see, this is the EBITDA and margins of the company as year on year, like they are looking like 4 years. So they are taking it as 4 years, 5 years like that. So now they are planning for this publicly listed this year. So see, it is having like EV business main thing. See, personal vehicles, two-wheeler, three-wheelers, commercial vehicles, and everything they are providing their motors. So motors business, and next one differential gears and microcontrollers, which are used in EV business. And this quarter they increased their share in EV business, friends, mainly compared to previous year. Also, you see in our channel we have a video of Sona BMW Q1 results also. Comparing with last year to this year, they increased their EV business market like 58.5%, and non-EV business 41.5%. Still, vehicles are there in non-EV also, right? So there also they can provide like differential gears. There are so much of business going on in this area also. And the order book 13,300 crores, friends, which is a very healthy order book for the company. If you observe here, this best in class financial performance Q2 financial year 2022, their revenue 5,857 crores, and see here EBITDA also, which is a very good year on year 24% growth, and PAT also looks very good growth like 22%. In among these, like EV business only given like 1239, which is also a very good one in my view. One thing is like, friends, if you observe here, a major update from the company which we have to look is their electrification moves. So we know right, these are the things previous videos also we seen last quarter. So products of the company like EDL and final drive assembly. So this is the drive, and differential assembly. So differential gears, like if you have motor, when motor rotates with the battery support, the shaft for the wheels has to rotate, right? For that they have to use these three, like final drive assembly, differential assembly, differential gears. These all things has to be placed in between to shift the torque generated from motor to like wheels. And the next one, these are motors, friends. These are the main motors and motor controllers. See here, SRM motor, BLDC drive motor, wheel hub motor, these all are regarding motors. And E-axle also they are manufacturing. This is a very good company for the long term portfolio. And who are holding, they have like good scope for further high increase in your things. So see here, like tractors, commercial vehicles, passenger, there still it is in conversion mode from normal business like normal automotive to EV. Just it started in US. It's like already in a boom, but in India, present it is just started in all countries also due to high petrol prices. Also is one of the major reason. And by seeing this geographical, you will notice that. Europe, North America, India, Asia. So it's having like a good area also for their increments. This is what I mentioned like previously how vehicles will rotate like coal, red fabric dyes, nails, and see automotive. When automotive came, like horse carts and cars are the one for the transport. Then car tires came, and see this is the way they are improving everything. And videos now, casual feedback loops, and this is their future end goal is like a integrated system and a mix and match component family of a P4E axial unit. So this is like one of the motor which is used for different purposes. So little little modifications we can accommodate this motor in all equipments. Likewise they are planning, but as of now their legacy products and future products, current products, see here starter motor 12 volts and differential gear. So these two, every starting they used these things. And next is low voltage inverter. So friends, this is like you already know for motor to start, starter motor is very very needy thing. This is used in PV things. And next one is low voltage inverter they manufactured, and two wheeler hub wheel. So this is the 48 to 60 watt 60 volt two wheeler hub motor, which is very very important thing. And belt driven starter generator, and 2 to 3 two wheeler three wheeler drive motors 48 to 96 volts also is there. And axial is also there, independent suspension e axial for three wheelers, and case differential assemblies. So these are in R&D which is going to be in future things. And next one, majorly we have to look everything in this is its updates. Like see here, H1 of financial year to H1 financial year 2022. Here 682 only, but half yearly it posted to 206. It's an extraordinary thing. 5,000 to 10,000, nearly 100%. So nearly here also 100%. Here more than 136%, which is very very cool. And see, this is a major company in auto sector who driving EV play. So this is the must stock in our portfolio, in my view. So if you observe here, uh, so this is where I want to discuss more with the you. So product summary. This is a electric two wheeler where it need a controller. So this most important controller manufactured by this company. And drive motor which uses here. This is a drive motor, this is also manufactured by this company. And one thing is hub wheel motor. So here also they need one motor, hub wheel motor, which is called BLDC. So this is also manufactured by this company. These three things manufactured by this company, what we need, this is the major components for a electric two wheeler. And another one is charging, which is okay. And electric cars, so traction motor. So this motor is manufactured by this company, and controller is also having in this company. And differential gear, so which is used here. So differential gear, so all are manufacturing by the company, which is a very very positive thing, friends. So look once about this company, and you will definitely get good revenue or good growth in coming years. Just buy and hold the shares. In dips you don't need to panic, just buy and hold the shares. So thank you friends, thank you very much. This is like heavy vehicles transformations, so you will get to know everything.